Good morning, everyone. I, Jashneet of grade 8A, will present the problem of aquatic animals faced due to pollution and slow destruction of their habitat. Water has remained a vital necessity for living amongst all living things, including plants and animals. And about 70% of the world land mass is covered by the surface of water, while underground and atmospheric water also exists in almost every part of the world. Aquatic life refers merely to live in the surface of water and water in the instance. Another context is called the marine habitat. The marine habitat, destruction and loss, is where the marine environment or the ecological setup is unable to support life due to degradation. This is a process that is contributed by various natural and human activities. Water could result from agriculture, chemicals, and waste runoffs, sewage and wastewaters from domestic activities, oil spills, industrial influence, waste, and radioactive substance and refuse or substantial waste deposits. When the water is polluted, it distorts the ecological balance of the aquatic animals and result in numerous negative adverse effects. Some of these effects include: first, chemical poisoning. When the water is polluted from the chemical sources such as the agricultural runoffs, industrial waste disposal, many of the aquatic animals are exposed to heavy metal such as lead and other harmful chemicals which often result to immediate death of smaller animals, larvae of insects and eggs. Second, oxygen depletion. Oxygen depletion affects aquatic ventilation, which leads to suffocation and unrest amongst these aquatic lives. In some cases, the smaller animals die off immediately. Besides the reduction of the dissolved oxygen, dissolve the carbon dioxide, which also affects the aquatic plants. Third, starvation and scarcity. Furthermore, the water pollution initiates with the migration of many aquatic, and some of these migrants are food resources for other animals that may be sensitive to pollutants. Due to the three holds lead to the starvation. Fourth, infection and diseases. Aquatic plants and animals are living things and are also susceptible to infection and diseases. Water pollution results in infection of the water bodies due to the microbial pollution. Fifth, the loss of aquatic vegetation. Water pollution, as such as the sewage, wastewater pollution, may result in microbial infection and disease of the plants, resulting in their death. Thus, the loss of the vegetation causes respiratory imbalance and starvation of most aquatic animals, lives, especially the animals. All over the globe, the water pollution has exposed the greatest danger to the aquatic life, and its effects has been succinctly discussed over is irreversible and profoundly adverse in most cases. Modern civilization has been accompanied by a industrialization and urbanization. Industrials and human settlements continue to increase, and this has led them to close to water bodies. As a result of this, many water bodies have become vulnerable to contamination. Therefore, it is imperative that we preserve our own lives and lives of these water creatures by regulating our activities in such a way that water pollution ultimately minimized or totally eradicated. Thank you.